We're making another Beetlejuice recipe out of the Beetlejuice cookbook. It's Beetlejuice Goes Hawaiian. So while I get all the other ingredients together, Robert's gonna cut up this pineapple because one of the ingredients on the skewer is chunks of pineapple.
Here.
Sage is, oh, that's nutmeg. Nutmeg is chewing on the top of that pineapple like it's something special. And it's really not.
Maybe she's teething.
She's a little old to be teething, but she's very excited about it for that pineapple. Look at her go. It's supposed to be a cooking video, not a cute cat video, but look at this nutmeg. It's just a dried out pineapple top. How does it taste? Can you cut me off a little? No?
No.
No taste for me?
Nope. All right.
So the Beetlejuice Goes Hawaiian kebabs are based on that supposedly after Beetlejuice came out, they were going to make a sequel where Beetlejuice goes to Hawaii, but Burton and Keaton were working on the Batman films, so the whole Hawaiian version was not a reality, but you know that they are doing the sequel because it released September 6th and it has absolutely nothing to do with Hawaii, but we're gonna make these skewers anyway. So the sauce is pineapple juice, ketchup, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and brown sugar. The skewers are ham. It's supposed to be red pepper, but I have a green pepper, some red onion, pineapple. Yes, I'm using Spam. I know not everyone likes Spam, but it's what I got, and it is essentially ham. It's just ham in a can. So first I'm gonna start the sauce simmering, the sauce ingredients, and then I'm gonna cut this up so we can put it on skewers. My husband's outside getting the grill ready. So the sauce calls for 1 inch fresh ginger, peeled and grated. Remember, I bought ginger from one of these other Beetlejuice recipes, so it works out, and I just stuck it in the, what I didn't use, I stuck it in the freezer. So cut this off because my thumb is about 1 inch. Thumbnail. So not tons of ginger. This is the ginger. I definitely recommend freezing your ginger before grating it because it looks so much better. My last recipe like turned into watery mush, but now it really looks like a nice ginger zest. So this is gonna go into the sauce with the glaze that's gonna be on the kebab. So I'm gonna go put on medium heat until it boils and then bring it down to a simmer. So we're gonna just skewer Spam, pineapple, green pepper, and red onion. We're gonna do like 3 pieces to a stick, and then these, and then we're gonna glaze it with the sauce. All right, he's gonna brush a quick glaze before we put it on the grill, and then he's gonna brush more as it cooks. Cook them about 10 minutes on the grill, and we did soak the skewers in water for about a half hour. That's just a tip so they don't catch on fire on the grill. They do catch on fire? Yes, I've never done skewers before. Robert has.
Yeah, I've had it where it's so hot that it burns the skewer and you're left with cubes. So. Yeah, it will happen, but I also burn a hot fire, so that's my fault.
We're also feeding the cats at the same time because they wouldn't leave us alone, and it's close to their dinner time. Every time I want to record, there's a ambulance or fire truck going by. But yeah, we just have this grill we've had forever. It's just the 2 of us. It's what Robert likes. No propane for us. And then it's my deck garden, doing good. Can't wait for the tomatoes to turn red. I got a lot of jalapenos looking good. Did you taste the glaze sauce? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I soaked them and they're still, the skewers are still burning.
Uh-huh. That's crazy, isn't it?
That is crazy. Robert got the grill marks pretty darn good. This definitely looks glazed. I still can't believe those burnt. Like, how long should I have soaked them? I soaked them for 30 minutes.
Soak them longer.
All right.
The fire's just hot. It's a hot fire. Very hot.
Robert just poured the extra glaze on top of his rice. That actually looks really good. I think it's a good idea.
It is.
I think I'm gonna do that too. Like a little volcano.
I'll put more on so it erupts.
Erupts.
Yeah, it's not erupting. It's not erupting, but that's all right.
That's all right. I don't.
Every volcano does that.
Did I show the cookbook? I think it looks pretty darn close. Besides that, I didn't use red peppers. I used green. A red pepper was $2.79. A green pepper was 99 cents. I was getting the green pepper. All right, Robert just tried the pineapple first. He said it was really sweet and interesting. I'm not for sure that I like warm pineapple.
The temperature throws me off, but the flavor is good. It's sweet and salty.
I agree. The flavor is good. I'm one of those people who would definitely not eat pineapple on a pizza. So we literally fed the cats like 10 minutes ago. And they're begging. They're begging. So this is the Spam ham. Don't you consider Spam to be ham? Isn't it just ham in a can?
Ham in a can. That's what it is.
That's really good. I like Spam. That's really good. Felix.
Felix, come on, bud.
All right, let's try the onion. Was the onion cooked long enough? This is red onion. It's not cooked long enough?
I don't think so.
Crunchy. But yeah, I would have liked it cooked longer. Oh. I'm not the most graceful eater. Green pepper. Green pepper is my least favorite vegetable. I'll eat it, but it's my least favorite. But this glaze on this Spam
It's a good glaze.
is so delicious.
It even makes the Spam taste good.
I would use this glaze recipe again. I had everything. I did use a lot of soy sauce. It was like 1/4 cup. I ran out of soy sauce.